Okay, I'm getting ready for bed, and I just discovered that I don't have any more makeup remover pads. I use them for removing eye makeup, and then I just kind of wipe it over my face as well. So I've assembled everything, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is. It actually takes longer to get everything out than it does to make it. It's a quarter to a half a cup of distilled water. So I'm just going to put that in the jar, and then it's 1 teaspoon of just Castile soap that's unscented. This is certified organic one. I think it's a Dr. Bronner's one that's no scents or anything in it. So a teaspoon of that in there. You just drop everything in there, no mixing or anything. I don't have the witch hazel that I usually have. I usually have a one that has no alcohol in it, but I just had this one left over, so I need to go on Amazon and order the other one that I get that has no alcohol. So that 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, 1 teaspoon of you can use coconut, or I'm using sweet almond oil. I like that for my face. And then I didn't put quite a teaspoon because I have this organic argan oil, so I'm just going to put like a dropper of that in there as well. Maybe half a dropper actually. Just I've never tried that before, so we'll see how that goes. So everything's in there now. You can see the oils, and then I just put in it says 8 drops or 7 or 8 drops, but I just put 4 drops of lavender in, and sometimes I put a couple drops of the lavender, a couple drops of cedar wood, 4 drops of that. Then I just kind of put the top on it and swish it around a little bit. And then I just put the cotton, these are 100% cotton pads, there's about 20 here, and I just drop those into the solution and tip it upside down, and it's good to go. I might add some more because it looks like, oh, I don't know, it absorbed pretty quickly. So easy to make, way cheaper than buying it, and it works really well. I really like it. Sometimes you have to kind of like flip them over so that they all get nice and moist. But I'll show you here. I have just eye pencil that I had left over. How easy it is, and you really don't have to like rub really hard or anything. I'm just lightly rubbing it, not even rubbing, just kind of swiping it. And you can see it's all gone. So that's what I do. Hope you enjoyed that little late night makeup remover.